Welcome, everyone. Today, I want to share with you a profound ancient technique that has the potential to awaken your hidden, radiant energy. This technique is not just a practice, but a gateway to a transformative experience that will elevate your consciousness and revitalize your entire being. In the first part of our discussion, we focus on understanding what radiant energy is and why it's crucial for our overall well-being. Radiant energy is the vibrant, life force energy that exists within each one of us. It is this energy that sustains our vitality, our ability to enjoy life, and our capacity to heal and grow. Many ancient traditions recognize this energy and developed various methods to cultivate and harness it, enhancing both physical and spiritual health. Let's consider our daily lives for a moment. How often do you feel truly energized, not just physically, but also mentally and spiritually? For many of us, our lifestyles, filled with stress and hurriedness, drain us of this vital energy. We find ourselves running on autopilot, disconnected from the source of our true power. But what if I told you that you can reclaim this energy? That you can tap into a wellspring of vitality that rejuvenates not just your body but also your soul. The technique we are exploring today originates from a blend of mindfulness and energy cultivation practices found in ancient spiritual traditions such as Taoism and yoga. These traditions understood the human body not just as a physical entity but as a complex system of energy pathways. These pathways, often referred to as meridians or nadis, are like rivers flowing within us, carrying vital life force energy to every cell, every organ, and every part of our being.
Click subscribe to this channel to get more profound spiritual lesson.
To begin awakening your radiant energy, the first step is to become aware of its presence. You can start by focusing on your breath. Breathing is our most fundamental connection to life force. With every inhale, we draw energy into our body, and with every exhale, we release what no longer serves us. Try this now. Take a slow, deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and then release it gently. Feel the energy moving with your breath. Notice how this simple act can bring you into a more alert and alive state. Now, visualize this energy not just flowing with your breath, but extending throughout your body. Imagine it as a bright, shimmering light, starting from your core and radiating outward. This light represents your energy, your chi, your prana, vibrant and potent. This visualization is not just a mental exercise, it's a way to direct your energy consciously. By visualizing your energy as radiant and vibrant, you start to invoke its increase in your physical reality. This is the power of focused intention, a fundamental principle in energy cultivation practices. The idea is that where your attention goes, energy flows. As you practice this visualization regularly, you will begin to notice subtle shifts in your energy levels. Perhaps you'll find yourself more resilient to stress or more emotionally balanced. These are signs that your radiant energy is beginning to stir, to awaken. But awakening your radiant energy is not only about personal vitality, it's also about deepening your connection to the world around you. Energy is the language of the universe, and by tuning into your energy, you are learning to speak this language. This connection brings a profound sense of belonging and an understanding of your place in the cosmos. You start to see yourself not as a separate entity struggling for survival, but as an integral part of a larger, dynamic energy system. This realization can be incredibly liberating. It shifts your perspective from one of isolation and scarcity to one of unity and abundance. You begin to understand that you are never truly alone, for you are always connected to the infinite source of all energy. Let's reflect on this for a moment. How does this understanding change the way you view your challenges and opportunities? When you see yourself as a conduit of universal energy, how does that affect your approach to life? This is just the beginning of our exploration. In the next part, we will delve deeper into practical techniques to cultivate and enhance this radiant energy. Techniques that you can apply daily to sustain and increase this vital force within you. As we proceed, let's deepen our understanding of how to cultivate and enhance your radiant energy through specific, actionable practices. This exploration will not only help you harness more energy, but also teach you how to direct it for greater health, clarity, and spiritual advancement. One of the most powerful techniques for cultivating radiant energy is through the practice of Qigong, an ancient Chinese system that combines movement, meditation, and controlled breathing to increase and balance the body's energy. Qigong is particularly effective because it teaches you to harness the energy that flows through the universe and direct it within your own body. The first step in practicing Qigong is grounding. Grounding helps to stabilize your energy and connect you deeply with the earth. You can practice grounding by standing upright and imagining roots growing from the soles of your feet deep into the earth. Feel the stability and nourishment coming from the earth up into your body. This connection is vital as it provides a base for your energy to flourish. Next, we focus on cultivating energy through controlled breathing. In Qigong, this is often done through what is called the breath of life. To practice this, breathe in slowly and deeply through your nose, allowing your abdomen to expand fully. Hold the breath for a few seconds, then exhale slowly through your mouth, imagining any negative or stagnant energy leaving your body. This type of breathing not only energizes but also cleanses. Now let's integrate movement with breath. A simple Qigong movement you can start with is called the rising sun. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, knees slightly bent. As you inhale, slowly raise your arms in front of you, then overhead, like you are tracing the path of the sun at dawn. As you exhale, gently lower your arms back to your sides. This movement helps to circulate the energy throughout your body, promoting an increase in your vitality and clarity of mind. As you continue with these practices, it's important to maintain a state of mindful presence. This means staying fully aware and observant of your movements, your breath, and the energy that flows through you. Mindfulness enhances the effectiveness of Qigong by keeping you connected to the flow of energy, preventing your mind from scattering and losing focus. Another crucial aspect of cultivating radiant energy is opening up energy centers in the body, known in many traditions as chakras. Each energy center corresponds to different aspects of our being and can be activated and balanced through specific practices. For example, the heart chakra, located in the center of the chest, can be enhanced through practices that focus on love, compassion, and healing. Visualizing a bright green light at this center while meditating can help open and balance the heart chakra, allowing energy to flow more freely and increasing your capacity for empathy and connection with others. As you incorporate these techniques into your daily life, observe the changes not just in your physical state but also in your mental and emotional realms. Do you notice yourself becoming more patient, more centered, or perhaps more intuitive? These are signs that your radiant energy is not just awakening but also growing stronger, influencing all aspects of your life. This journey of awakening your radiant energy is transformative, and it asks for consistent practice and dedication. The beauty of these practices is that they empower you to take control of your energy and well-being, creating profound changes in your life and allowing you to rise to your full potential. How does it feel to imagine your life filled with abundant energy, clear purpose, and a deep connection to the universal energy around you? This is not just a possibility, but a reality that you can create through mindful practice and dedication. As we move further into our exploration of awakening your radiant energy, let's shift our focus towards more advanced techniques that not only promote personal healing but also empower us to positively affect our surroundings. This part of our journey involves channeling the energy we cultivate to enact real change in our community and environment, creating a ripple effect of positivity and transformation. One profound way to extend the benefits of your cultivated energy is through the practice of healing hands, often associated with modalities like Reiki or therapeutic touch. These practices are based on the principle that humans can channel universal energy through their intention and touch to facilitate healing in others. To begin with healing hands, it's essential to have a solid foundation in cultivating your own energy, as we discussed earlier with practices like Qigong and mindfulness. Once you feel your energy is vibrant and flowing freely, you can start to learn how to extend this energy beyond yourself. The basic technique involves placing your hands gently over someone's body without physical contact and visualizing how the radiant energy flows from your hands into their body, targeting areas that need healing. It's crucial to set a clear, compassionate intention for healing, as intention directs the energy flow. Visualize the energy as a bright, healing light, perhaps golden or white, flowing out of your hands and covering the person in warmth and light. Another advanced technique in using your radiant energy for broader impact involves distance healing, which challenges our conventional understanding of space and time. Distance healing works under the principle that since we are all connected through the universal energy field, physical proximity is not necessary for healing to occur. To practice distance healing, visualize the person you intend to heal. Picture them as vividly as possible and imagine a beam of healing light or energy traveling from you to them, wherever they may be. Hold the vision of their highest well-being and health, and trust that the energy sent will be received and beneficial. Beyond individual healing, your radiant energy can also be channeled towards environmental healing. This could involve energetically cleansing your home, your workplace, or even natural spaces. An effective method here is to use visualization and intention to send healing energy to these spaces. For instance, imagine walking through a forest, feeling your feet absorb the earth's energy with each step, and with every breath, send out gratitude and healing to the trees and plants around you. Such practices not only help heal the environment, but also deepen your connection with nature, enhancing your own energy in return. As you grow more adept at these practices, you'll likely find yourself becoming more sensitive to the energies around you. This sensitivity can be a powerful tool, enabling you to respond more intuitively to the needs of people and places around you. It allows you to become a conduit for positive change, channeling universal energy to where it is most needed. Engaging in these advanced practices also poses an important question. How does it feel to recognize that you have the power to bring healing and change, not only to your own life but to the world? This realization can be incredibly empowering and, at the same time, a great responsibility. It invites you to live with a heightened sense of purpose and commitment to your spiritual practices. We have explored several advanced techniques today, but remember, the journey does not end here. Each day offers a new opportunity to deepen your practice and expand your understanding of energy. The path of energy work is lifelong. The more you practice, the more profound and impactful your abilities will become. As we prepare to move into our final part, we will contemplate the integration of these practices into daily life, ensuring that the awakening of your radiant energy is not just an occasional practice, but a living, breathing part of every moment of your existence.